trees and the birds will have to sit upon the ground. And take away their wings and the birds will have to walk to get around. And take away the bird baths and dirty birds will soon be everywhere. And take away their feathers and the birds will walk around in underwear. Take away their and the birds will have to whisper when they sing. Chirp, chirp. And take away their common sense and they'll be headed southward in the spring. Oh, remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and the bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere. When you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear, that's Tennessee bird walk. How about some trees so the birds won't have to sit upon the ground? And how about some wings so the birds won't have to walk to get around? And how about a bird bath or two so the birds will all be clean? And how about some feathers so their underwear no longer will be seen? How about a little so the birds won't have to whisper when they sing? Chirp, chirp. And how about some common sense so they won't be blocking traffic in the spring? Oh, remember me, my darling, when spring is in the air and the bald-headed birds are whispering everywhere. When you see them walking southward in their dirty underwear, that's Tennessee bird walk. That's Tennessee bird walk. Chirp, chirp. That's Tennessee bird walk. Chirp, chirp. That's Tennessee bird walk. Chirp, chirp. That's Tennessee bird walk.
It's crazy. So many birds. Ah! Crazy.
Summer turns to deepest winter. Hope denied, trifle play. The winds of war cause worlds to splinter into fragments that leave no trace. And bird song, just a sweet memory. Fire and fury all too soon. Leave town shattered in their way. Church bell plays its haunting tune. The sound of warning came too late. And bird song, just a sweet memory. Nothing but a memory. Whispered word, a silent prayer, that the life they knew could somehow return. One false step leads who knows where. Lessons that so few have learned.